Did you know that even a small loss of balance can lead to a fall? And one fall after the age of 50 can completely change your life. After turning 65, more than 1 in 10 older adults begin to experience balance problems. And that number rises quickly as we age. The issue is that when your sense of balance declines, the chances of falling increase. And falling at an older age is not just about a scrape or a bruise. It often leads to broken bones, hospital stays, loss of independence, and in some cases, life-threatening complications. The good news is that you can dramatically improve your balance with a few simple exercises that you can do right at home. Using just a sturdy chair and a small space, you can rebuild strength and stability. In today's video, I will guide you through 9 exercises designed to improve your balance, boost your confidence when walking, and help protect your legs as you grow older. Before we begin, make sure you feel stable on your feet or have something nearby to support you, such as a chair, wall, or cane. If you have any medical concerns, it is always a good idea to speak with your doctor first. Ready to get started? We will begin with the easiest movements and gradually increase the challenge. Let us start by challenging your center of gravity with a simple movement that looks easy but activates some of the most important muscles for balance. Begin by standing with your feet together, or as close as you can comfortably manage. The narrower your stance, the more your body has to work to keep you upright. If this feels too unsteady, step your feet slightly apart, just enough to regain control without losing the challenge. Now, imagine your feet rooting into the floor. Gently engage your abdominal muscles and feel your weight balanced evenly across both legs. Slowly lift one arm straight up toward the ceiling. Pause for a moment, then lower it back down. Next, try lifting the same arm at a slight diagonal, not directly above, but upward and out, as if reaching for the corner of a shelf. Then bring it back down. Finally, extend that arm directly out to the side, keeping your posture tall and your spine aligned. Repeat all 3 directions with the same arm before switching to the other side. Remember, this is not just about your arm. It is about how your entire body responds as the weight shifts slightly. Try to keep your core steady, your legs strong, and your breath smooth. If needed, keep one hand near a sturdy chair for support, but only use it if absolutely necessary. You may be surprised at how quickly your body adapts when given the chance. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions on each side, moving slowly and deliberately. Now that your core and stabilizers are activated, let us take the next step. Literally. For this exercise, you will not be moving just yet. Instead, we are going to train your body to remain steady in a challenging standing position, one that mimics walking on a narrow beam. Start by placing one foot directly in front of the other, so that the heel of your front foot touches the toes of your back foot, like standing on a tightrope. Already feel a little wobbly? That is okay. This position naturally reduces your base of support and forces your body to recruit all the tiny muscles in your ankles, legs, and hips to help you stay balanced. Make sure your weight is distributed evenly between both feet. Engage your core gently, not squeezing, but firm enough to support your spine. Keep your gaze forward and let your arms relax by your sides. If you feel comfortable here, raise your arms out to the sides like airplane wings and slowly begin to circle them forward in small, controlled movements. Imagine you are stirring the air around you without letting your body lean or sway. After about 10 gentle circles forward, reverse the direction and circle your arms backward. Keep breathing, keep your shoulders down, and relaxed. The goal here is not perfection, it is awareness. You are training your body to stay calm and centered even when things feel a bit shaky. If you need to hold on to a chair or counter, that is completely fine. The real progress happens when you are intentional and focused, ready to move forward with that balance. Then stay with me, because in the next exercise, we will begin walking that tightrope. Stand tall with your arms stretched out like a T-step forward by placing your heel directly in front of your back foot's toes. Pause, then continue the same way. Keep your gaze ahead, not down. This trains your vision and inner ear. 2 key parts of balance. Wobbles are normal, that's your body learning. Take 8 to 10 slow steps forward. If you have room, turn and walk back the same way. Focus on control, not speed. Sit on a sturdy chair with feet flat, hip width apart. Slide them slightly back. Place hands on thighs, or extend them forward. Inhale, then exhale as you lean forward slightly, and press through your heels to stand. Pause tall, then slowly lower yourself back down, as if the chair were made of glass. Repeat 8 to 10 times. To make it easier, use a taller chair or cushion. To make it harder, cross your arms over your chest. This move builds real-life strength for daily independence. Stand near a chair. Shift weight onto one leg and lift the other foot a few inches. Extend your arms out and focus on a spot in front of you. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, then switch sides. Aim for 30 seconds over time. Notice the tiny wobbles. That's your balance system strengthening. This trains your reflexes so your body can catch itself when you stumble or turn suddenly. Stand tall near a chair. Shift onto one leg, lift the opposite knee, then lower with control. Switch sides and continue marching slowly. Keep your torso upright, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. Extend your arms out or swing them naturally if steady. Do 10 marches per side. This retrains your coordination and builds confidence for stairs, curbs, and uneven ground. Stand tall next to a chair. Shift weight onto your inside leg. Lift your outside leg forward, then sideways, then backward, small and controlled. That's 1 round. Complete 8 on each leg. The key is keeping your body still while your leg moves. This strengthens the hips and mimics everyday motions like stepping, reaching, and backing up safely. Stand with feet hip width apart near a chair. Rise up onto your toes. Pause. Then slowly lower your heels. Repeat 8 to 10 times. For more challenge, try without support. This strengthens calves and ankles, giving you steadiness on uneven surfaces. Stand with feet hip width apart, next to a chair. Step 1 foot forward, keeping your back heel lifted. Bend both knees slightly. Then press through your front heel to stand tall again. Repeat 8 to 10 times per side. If unsteady, keep your feet in place and bend up and down. This builds thigh, hip, and ankle strength while teaching weight control in daily movements. Congratulations! You've just completed a full balance workout. Every move today strengthened your body, trained your brain, and gave you the tools for steadier steps. Even small progress brings big rewards. Fewer slips, more confident walking, and greater independence. Repeat these exercises a few times a week, or daily for best results. The secret isn't pushing harder, it's being consistent. Every time you practice, you're investing in your freedom, safety, and future strength. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and subscribe for more senior-friendly routines. Until next time, stay steady, move gently, and take life one confident step at a time.